Hello my dear students. In this video we are going to learn about the different states of matter. States of matter arise due to the variation in the characteristics of particles of matter. Based on these characteristics we have classified the materials into three types: solid, liquid and gas. In this video our focus will be on physical properties of matter. Physical properties are used to observe and describe matter. It includes appearance, texture, color, order, melting point, boiling point, density, etc. Next, let us see the properties of solids. Particles in the solid state have definite shape and volume. That is, the particles in solids are tightly packed. They were arranged in a regular way, no much space between them. Therefore, force of attraction between the particles are very strong and the only movement they can make is tiny vibration, that is to and fro. That is why solids are rigid and they retain their shape. Example, if we take a stone and put it in a box, the stone retains its shape. Matter in liquid state has no fixed shape and fixed volume. In liquids, the particles are most closely held together but are not arranged in a regular pattern. These particles can move freely and have large space between them. Because of this more space, the force of attraction between the particles are weak as compared to solid. Matter in gaseous state has no definite shape and no definite volume. In the gaseous state, the particles are far apart. There is a lot of space between the particles, therefore they move randomly. The force of attraction between the particles are very low as compared to solids and liquids. Next, let us see another property of matter, that is density. What is density? Mass per unit volume of a substance is called density, and it is the characteristic property of a substance. It can be calculated by using this formula, that is density is equal to mass per volume. When a stone is dropped in a beaker with water, why the stone sink into the water? Generally, the density of solids are high compared to liquid and gas because there are no large space between the particles. Gases are much lower density than liquids and solid. Next, let us examine the another property of matter, that is compressibility. Take 3 empty syringes, close the nozzle with rubber cork. Fill one with chalk powder, another with water and leave one syringe empty. Try to compress the syringes by using its piston. You will see that the syringe with solids are not compressed because solids are rigid. The syringe with water is compressible because there is a large space between the particles. The syringe which is empty is very easy to compress because the particles of a gas have more space as compared to solids and liquids. This experiment shows that the gases are highly compressible. Next property is diffusion. When perfume is released into air, the fragrance spread very fast. This is due to the movement at high speed of particles and large space between them. This shows the property of very fast diffusion. Liquid shows less diffusion as compared to gas, and in solids diffusion is negligible. Things to remember. Matter exists in three states, that is solid, liquid and gas. Solids have definite shape and volume. Liquids have no fixed shape but have definite volume. Gases does not have fixed shape and volume. The spaces in between the constituent particles are minimum in case of solid, intermediate in liquids and maximum in gases. The force of attraction between the particles high in solids, intermediate in liquid and minimum in gases. Generally, density is very high for solids, intermediate for liquid and much lower for gases. Generally, compressibility negligible in solids, moderate in liquid and high in gases. Once again, let us see the difference between solids, liquids and gases. First one, volume. Solids have definite volume because their intermolecular forces between the constituent particles are very strong. Liquids have definite volume as intermolecular forces between the constituent particles are strong. No definite volume for gases because their intermolecular forces between the constituent particles are weak. Second one, diffusion. Solid can diffuse into liquids. In liquids, diffusion rate is higher than solids. Gases are highly diffusible as particles move randomly at high speed. Next is compressibility. Solids have negligible compressibility or incompressible. Liquids also have negligible compressibility and gases have high compressibility. Next, rigidity or fluidity. Solids are rigid and cannot flow because the particles are bonded with very strong force of attraction. Liquids are less rigid and can flow easily because the force of attraction between the particles are not strong. Gases are not rigid and it can flow easily in air as their particles are having very weak force of attraction. Next, density. High density for solids, moderate density for liquids and low density for gases. Shapes. Solids have a definite shape and liquids do not have definite shape. They will take up the shape of the container. Then gases, they do not have definite shape. Next, kinetic energy of the particles at a given temperature. Solids have least kinetic energy as intermolecular forces between the constant particles are very low. Kinetic energy of liquid particles are higher than solids and gases have maximum kinetic energy. Next is interparticle space, very least for solids, lesser for liquids and larger for gases. Next, interparticle force of attraction, very strong for solids, less strong for liquids and weak for gases. Next is intermolecular force of attraction. In solid, strong enough to hold the constant particles in fixed position. In liquid, strong enough to hold the constant particles in aggregation within the bulk but not in fixed positions. In gases, extremely low so that the constant particles are free to move in a continuous random motion. Next is arrangement of molecules. In solids, packed in definite pattern, so they possess a definite geometry. In liquid, packed weak in comparison to solid, shape not fixed. And in gases, packed very poorly, so they fill the container, so they don't have definite shape. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.